should, because your generation has one, so the next generation may not.
Do you have any other perky news for us?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's so fun though when you have some people, like Aunt Angie.
Yeah.
It was most amusing.
Do you know what Grandma told me?
What?
I keep meaning to look it up. Art Bell. Have you ever listened to Art Bell? Art Bell?
No, yeah, the guy who has it and has a radio talk show.
The sci-fi dude. Are
Yeah.
you walking him out?
Hello.
What are you doing?
Hello. Oh, we're playing. He's chasing me down with this, some kind of little speedy thing. Hello.
He's chasing you with some kind of speedy thing?
Yeah, he just broke.
He broke?
Yeah, no, no. Come on in, Kate. Oh, that's neat.
It's a handy dandy cam for Tokyo.
That is awesome.
You don't have one?
No, we got the big video camera.
Big video camera. You know what you do? It's got a USB port on the side.